Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to start building your website at connect.dataczar.com. So first of all, go to dataczar.com. We're going to get logged in. And we're logged in. That takes us to dashboard on the main menu. So to work on your website, you're going to click on the website button. And that takes you to all the editing tools for building your website. First of all, you can add a page or edit a page here by clicking here. If you click here, you can add or edit a post. These are page templates that you can access or post templates that you can access. This is to adjust the appearance of your website, to create a new theme. And the settings is where you're going to adjust your social media and your address and things like that. And we're going to show you all of these buttons individually. If you have a domain, your domain's going to show right here. And the public preview URL, while you're working on your website, if you want to view changes, use your public preview URL because it refreshes very quickly in just a few seconds, where your domain might take a few or a couple minutes to refresh. So let's go ahead and click on the public preview URL. And this is what your website looks like after you register with us, after you create your account. What you're looking at here is a welcome post that is attached to your home page. Your home page is blank. You don't have any content on that. This is a welcome post. If you've added your address information or phone number, it'll show down here. Every website comes with a contact us page. So let's look at that. And then back to home. And that's what your website looks like. So let's take a look now at what the finished website's gonna look like. This is what our website's gonna look like when we're finished. And so we have a home page here, and we're gonna add a featured image right here. We're gonna add an image inside of our page, and we're gonna add all of this text inside of the home page. We're gonna create a blog. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the posts from our home page, and we're going to add them to our blog page. This is a blog post that we're going to create, and it's going to be El Cajon Mountain. This is an about page that we're also going to create, and we're going to also add social media, and we're going to adjust the contact us on there. The blue theme that you're looking at here is called Cosmo, and we're also going to show you that as well. And then going back to connect here to the account, we started on the website button here, and that gives you access to the editing tools. If by chance, and this is a different account, so don't let it throw you off, this is our Hikes Less Traveled account. We have two websites. You can add a website here with this plus button. By the way, if you want to add a shopping cart website, you can do that. So if you're somebody that's looking to add products to your website and you want to create a shopping cart website, we have a tutorial on how to do this, and I'm going to show you at the end where to find that. But if you have more than one website, to access the website builder, you have to go to this edit button right here. Right now we don't have access to that, so we click on that edit button. That gives us access to all of that. So let's go ahead and go back to our other account, our AAA Outdoor Scenes account. And again, we started on website, or we started on dashboard, and then we went to the website button. And let's go ahead and go back into full screen here. So to work on your website, you're going to click on the editing tools here. And before we do that, the first thing I want to do though is I want to show you how to upload a photo. We're going to click on Content, and we preloaded a bunch of images for creating the website. But if you want to upload an image, you just click the Upload button, you choose the file, and we're going to pick this one here. And then once you see that green check right there, that means it's been added to My Images. And there's the picture that we just added. Let's go back to the website button, and we're going to click on Pages. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to edit our home page. So under Home Index, if we want to create a blank page, we're going to go here. We're going to do that later. But right now we're going to edit our home index page. If you want to edit your contact us page, you do that right here. By the way, this is the top menu, this is the bottom menu. When you're looking at the website, you're going to have all your menus at the top and the bottom. I'll show you that soon as well. So let's go ahead and edit this home page. And right now it includes posts. Now we're going to uncheck include posts because we're going to create a blog page. Now you don't have to do that, and you can leave the post on your home page if you want. We're going to choose to uncheck it. And so now we're working with a blank canvas. So now if you were to view the page, it would be completely blank. So let's go ahead and let's add some words to here. Let me just copy them. I'll make it go quicker. So what I'm going to do, I just prefer to have everything centered on the home page. So I'm going to center that. And then we're going to move this down. And actually, we're going to take our sign up for our newsletter below to receive informative updates, fun trails, cool photos, and more. This is similar to what it says on your welcome post that we've removed. So we're just adding this text here, and we're going to go left on that, justify left, and then, oops, let me click the undo button. By the way, this is the undo. And then here, we're going to go ahead and bold this. I just like to have the heading bold. You don't have to do it this way, but that's the way we elect to do it. And we're going to go ahead and make this 18 point. And then this we're going to go ahead and make 14 point, our subtitle. And we're just going to bring that up. We're going to do a shift enter to hold down the shift key, hit enter, and that's for a single space. So instead of having a double space, I have a single space between the heading and the subheader. And then underneath here, we're going to click enter, and we're going to move our cursor here, and we're going to add an image. We're going to actually add two images. First of all, we're going to add the featured image that we showed you earlier. So let's go ahead and skip up here and go ahead and add the featured image. We'll go to My Images, and we already uploaded the image, and the featured image we want to use is this one here. So that has been added. Now we're going to add one more image. So under we specialize in hiking, photographs, and the great outdoors, we're going to click enter. And then this is the insert edit image icon. By the way, if you want to add a video, you can add insert edit media here as long as it's hosted on YouTube. So we have tutorials on all of this. We're going to show you where to find these tutorials at the end. So click on the insert edit image icon, click the up arrow. We're going to go to My Images, and we're going to add this picture of the redwoods. We're going to click OK. And wow, that turned out really big. Let's shrink it down by dragging the corner. And let's go up here, shrink it down a little bit more, and a little bit more. That looks pretty good. And we're going to update our home page by clicking Update. One other thing on the home page, and on every page, there's a gallery section. If you want to add a gallery, just click on that, and you can add a gallery. You can it's like a slider gallery. We have a tutorial on how to do this. We're not going to cover it today, but there is a gallery section there, and you also can find that tutorial in our help site. So we went ahead. Let's make sure we clicked Update, which we did, and that's the home page. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to jump up over to Theme, and Theme adjusts the appearance of your website. Currently, you'll be on the main theme. What we're going to do, just to show you the differences, let's go ahead and click on Darkly. Oops, choose Theme. Okay, and now when you choose your theme, you don't have to update it, it automatically updates. So if we tab back over, oops, we tab back over to AAA Outdoor Scenes. Let's go ahead and refresh the website. And there's Darkly. You'll see what a difference it is. let's go with one more theme. And let's go ahead and go with Etsy. Choose theme. We're going to tab back over. We're going to refresh. And one more time. There it is. So there's Etsy. You can see how this really changes the look of your website. Tab back over and let's choose one more theme. And we're going to leave it on Cosmo. And we'll tab back over to our website. We're going to refresh the website. And there's Cosmo. You see how the different themes give it a different look. So let's tab back over. The next button is the Settings button. And Settings, we can add a logo here. You don't have to add a logo. If you don't add a logo, your website name will show. AAA Outdoor Scenes is what ours is. But let's go ahead and add a logo. So we're going to go to My Images. We already have it uploaded. And we're going to use this here. So we added a logo. We're going to leave Include Business Address checked and Include Newsletter Sign Up. But if you don't want these showing on your website, you can uncheck those. And then also, if you want to adjust your address, you can adjust that here. Or if you want to add social media, let's go ahead and let me grab some social media here. So you have to enter the whole link, including HTTPS. So we added our Facebook here for Dataczar Corporation. And one more. I'm just going to copy that, Control-C on my keyboard. And Instagram, Control-V to paste. And I paste that in. And we're going to click Update. And I think that looks okay. So that should be fine. But click Use Suggestion. Okay. So let's click Update. And there it is. So we covered the theme, the settings. Now let's go to Templates. And in the templates, you can add, by clicking the drop down, we're going to add a blog page. You can click the drop down, you can create a page, you can create a post with the templates. So we're going to add a page with the page template. So you can either click on the plus sign or click down and write Create Page. So we'll just click on that. And this is our blog. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and switch out our picture. So what you do is you highlight the blog. This is actually an image. And on all these templates, when you see these images, you can switch these out. So we're going to click on the Insert Edit Image icon and the up arrow. Oops. You can do free image through a free image search, but we already have these under My Images. And the one we want to use is this one here. And there it is. And there's our blog page. And you can, of course, add a lot more text underneath there. But what happens with the blog page is it's going to include the post. So that's going to be checked. So make sure when you create a blog page that this is checked. And you don't have to have a blog, but if you want your post showing on a page, make sure it checks Include Post. And then we're going to click Create. And that is the templates. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our posts. So to create a post or to edit a post, you click on Posts. We can create new here, or we can edit our welcome post. And what we're going to do is we're going to edit our welcome post. Click the Edit button. And just grab some text. So what we did was we moved these words onto our home page. So since our post is no longer showing on our home page, we're going to replace these words with some new words. So let's center this again and space it out. Bold everything. We prefer to bold it on our titles. And then also we're going to go 18 point like we did last time. We're going to do 14 point here on our subheading title. And then here I'm just going to click delete, and then I'm going to do Shift Enter. Press the Shift sign, click Enter, and it's a single space. And on this post here, we're going to go ahead and add a featured image. So the featured image, we're going to go to My Images, and that's the one that we uploaded earlier. And then down here within the post, we're going to do Enter. Bring our cursor down, we're going to add one more image. Click on the Insert Edit Image icon, click on the up arrow, go to My Images, and we're going to choose this one of El Cajon Mountain. Click OK. And there we go. We edited our post, but we could have easily created a new post by doing the same thing. Click Update. So on Post, if we click on Posts here, there's our welcome post that we edited. But if we wanted to create a new post, we would just click on Create New. And then Pages. Let's keep this moving. We're going to create a new page. So to create a blank page, we're going to click on Create Blank Page. And we're going to do About is the title. So you enter a title. And then you scroll down to the editing box. This is where you're going to add. We're going to go ahead and choose a featured image. You can go back to My Images. This picture, we're going to choose this guy here on top of the rocks. And then we'll just go ahead. Let me see if I have any words I want to grab. No, on the About page, okay, let me grab these words. We're going to go ahead and paste those in. Again, we're going to center that. We're going to bold it, 18 point. And then obviously, click Enter, and then you're going to write about yourself. So you can go ahead and put a mission statement, tell about your company, throw images in here, all sorts of things. So that's what you would do here. This is the toolbar for editing your post. So we covered most of this already. Insert Edit Image, Insert Edit Media. If you want to add a link, you want to link a page. So for example, if we wanted to link these words to another website, we could click on the Insert Edit Link and do that. We have tutorials on all this stuff too that we're going to show you at the end. But this is just the simple things today, and this is to create an About page. We're going to click Create. And then go back to Pages. We mentioned that every page comes with a Contact Us. And what we're going to do is we're going to go down here, and these are the two pages that we've added. This is the Contact Us page. We're going to edit that. We're going to click on the edit icon. We're going to scroll down, and we're just going to, this is the actual contact form. You don't want to get rid of that. You don't want to mess with that. Just bring that down, put your cursor above it. We're going to type in, drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. Let's go ahead and maybe make that 14 point bold. And that's now going to show on our Contact Us page. And we're going to click Update. So one other thing I want to show you too, under the Manage Accounts button here, click on Manage Accounts. You want to make sure that your website name here matches the website name up here on the website button under Settings. It's AAA Outdoor Scenes. So when somebody signs up for your newsletter, it's going to show as AAA Outdoor Scenes as your website name. So under the Manage Accounts, when they receive the opt-in confirmation email, you want to make sure that this says the same thing. So I'm just going to edit this, and I'm going to change it to from Webinar AAA Outdoor Scenes to AAA Outdoor Scenes, and click Update. So that's just for people signing up for your newsletter on your website, and each website comes with the newsletter sign up. So let's go back up here to the website button. And let's tab back over. And you're going to see that when we refresh this, it's going to have all of our changes. So let's go ahead and refresh. And there it is. So the home page now has our logo that we added. And also down below, here's the newsletter sign up where people can sign up. Here's the social media that we added. Here's the contact us that we adjusted. And Control F5. Drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. So I just had to refresh the page. Go back to home. This is the blog page that we created. This is the blog post that we made, El Cajon Mountain. This is the About Us page that we created. And then here's the social media that we added. If I click on it, and it will take us there. So that's our Dataczar Facebook page. So let's tab back over to Connect. And one thing I want to show you is this help button. This is very important. If you need any help, a great place to go is the featured tutorial videos. As a matter of fact, the first video on the featured tutorial videos is going to be the video that you're watching right now. However, go to the Help Center, click on Help Center here. And if you click on Help Center, it takes us to all of our tutorial videos. You can click on Website Help. And again, you can access the featured tutorial videos, which includes this video, or how to start building your website. That's the video that you're watching right now. There's all sorts of different videos here. Add links to your website. We talked about that, adding links. There's adding a contact form, customizing your contact form, adding additional websites, set up a shopping cart website. You might want to click on that and check that out. How to make a photo gallery, add a slider image gallery. There's a lot of help here. So let's tab back over and let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to start building your website with Dataczar Connect.